So if matrix A was 2 by 3, right? Why is it that you cannot have a multiplicative inverse? Okay. The thing about inverse, so the identity matrix, right? So if it has an inverse, if you do A times B, if B is your inverse, it has to give you an identity matrix. This has to be a square matrix, okay? So for us to be able to multiply these two matrices, this has to be a 3 by, right? 3 by some matrix. Okay, so it's either going to be like 3 by 2, which will result in 2 by 2 matrix. But the dimension of this is not the same as A, right? So it can't be the identity matrix for A. If you change that to 3, you get a 2 by 3 matrix, which is not a square. But because it's 2, actually this has to be 2. Right? So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. But A times I will not equal to A because of the fact that this is a 2 by 3 matrix. And this is a 2 by 2 matrix. And you cannot multiply that because the dimensions are different. So therefore, a 2 by 3 matrix cannot have an inverse. Okay, that satisfies this condition.